Life hacks I learned after 30 years of living. 1. If your child's homework sticks to the paper during summer break, don't tear it off. Tearing it will definitely rip the paper. Let me show you a trick. Easily peel the tape off without damaging the paper. Hold both ends of the tape firmly. Just pull like this. Look, it comes off so easily. 2. If there's leftover large cola in the bottle, squeeze the air out first. Push it hard towards the bottle opening, then put the cap back on. This keeps the original taste next time you drink it. 3. Put a piece of thread on a piece of paper. Fold the paper diagonally, then cut at a 30-degree angle. Use this method to thread the needle. You can easily thread through even the tiniest needle hole. 4. Use a clip to hold a mosquito coil. Light it from the middle with a lighter. If you don't have a mosquito coil holder, try this. It works really well. 5. If you stick a Band-Aid this way, it will fall off easily. Let me show you a trick. Cut the ends of the Band-Aid, then cross it and stick it on your finger. It won't fall off anymore. And it allows for easy finger movement. 6. In summer, if you're in a hurry to drink a cold beverage, wrap a paper towel around the bottle. Damp it with cool water, then put it in the fridge. It cools much faster than if it's unwrapped. 7. Many people try to open a can by banging on the lid, but it's often useless. Instead, just put your hands on the sides of the lid. Press with your index fingers. Push down a bit. The can lid will open easily. 8. Put the bottle opening on top of a rice bag. This allows you to control how much you pour. Twist the cap on to seal it. It also prevents insects and moisture. 9. What to do if you forget the combination to your suitcase. Turn the combination dial, find the position with a gap. Align the gap to the lock hole and adjust the numbers accordingly. Subtract 3 from each number, and that's your password. 10. A tip I learned from the cleaning lady. Before using disposable gloves, twist the waist like this. When you wear them, it looks like this and can act as a hand mask. No need to worry about them falling off while doing housework. 11. Put a mask on the back of the hair dryer. Attach half of a plastic bottle and it becomes a portable vacuum cleaner. Easily sucks up dust and trash. 12. It's always hard to open these lids. Let me show you a slick method. You just need a plastic bag. Cut a small piece. Place it in the center of the box. Then put the lid back on. Next time, pinch the plastic piece and pull to the sides. It opens so easily, like magic. 13. When pouring drinks, place the opening at the bottom. Air doesn't go in easily. This prevents splashing. Turn the milk bottle upside down. Pouring with the opening at the top makes it smooth and easy. 14. If you buy a large watermelon in summer and can't finish it, don't just put it in the fridge. It will mix with other smells and grow bacteria. Prepare 2 fresh garlic cloves. Place them on each side of the watermelon. Cover the garlic with plastic wrap. This will inhibit bacterial growth. Then put the watermelon in the fridge. It will stay fresh for several days. 15. When buying rice at the supermarket, grab a handful and place it on a paper towel. Then twist it hard. If there's an oil stain on the paper towel, it's waxed rice. If not, it's clean rice. 16. If your air conditioner's drainage water always splashes onto the wall, let me show you a solution. Cut a piece of wire from a hanger. Straighten it, then insert it into the top of the drainage pipe, bending it upwards. Then bend it down. It will never splash again. It's really useful. Follow me for more useful tips.